Thank you so very much. Thank you guys. What a great welcome. It's great to be here. Show some more love to Robert Kelly, Al Delbeni. Coming up. Thank you guys very much. Super Bowl weekend, right? And we're all excited about. Okay, so wait a minute. Who's Arizona? Where's Arizona? All right, Pittsburgh, let me hear you. And how many people don't give a shit, just want to puke in the eyes? I am, geez man, so many things to